back to my channel. It's been about 3 or 4 months since I last uploaded on my channel, and I just want to apologise for that. Basically I just needed a little bit of a break from YouTube, and also a few other things happened in my personal life that I just couldn't film for a while, and that was it. I wasn't quitting YouTube or anything. It was just those few little things is why I didn't upload on my channel. So I just want to apologise for that, and I am back now filming, and I'm going to be uploading every single Sunday, so get ready for that. But today I'm going to be showing you how to get this rainbow eye look. I decided to do something creative and go out my comfort zone, and I use this NYX Swear by It palette to get this look. I've had this for like 2 months, and I've been wanting to try it so much, but I wanted to save it for the video. And if you just look at the palette, like, these colours are just incredible. It's got every single shade you could possibly want. So I decided to do like a rainbow look just because, you know, the palette is colourful and stuff, so that's what I did. So I hope that you guys enjoy this eye look tutorial, and without further ado, let's just get into it. Okay, so I'm going to start off with this colour here, which is like this pinky reddy colour, and it's in the shade 18. Is that right? 18. Yeah, they don't have shade names, I don't think, so they're just numbered. So I'm going to start off with this shade. I'm going to start here in the corner. So I'm going to bring you in closer so you can see what I'm doing. So start, I'm going to dip my brush into this shade here. Take off the excess. And we're going to see how it blends and if it's pigmented, etc. Oh my god. Okay, yes, definitely pigmented. Let's just see how it blends. Wow, this colour is so pretty. Like, I don't usually go for colours like this. Like, I'm going out my comfort zone now doing this look, but like, I absolutely love this colour. It's just so pretty. That blended like so easily as well, and the pigment of that, as you can see, is just, yeah. So far so good. Now I'm gonna dip into this shade here, which is this yellow shade, and that is 3, 4, 5, number 13. So this yellow here, and I'm gonna blend that into it. Again, like, that shade is just really pigmented, and yeah, I like that. So I'm gonna go in with a green next. So let's see, what shade should I go in with? The dark green or the light green? I'm gonna go in with this light green here, and that is the shade 6. Just this one. Sorry about the ring lights, like, that's so annoying. This green one here. So let's see how that performs. Let's see. Oh yeah, you can see that. Yes. That is so pretty. All these shades so far are really, really pigmented, and I'm loving that. And because this isn't usually something that I do on my eyes, like, I have to say, like, because I'm doing this for the first time, and this, you know, I'm gonna say, like, I'm actually not doing a bad job considering this is my first time doing this. I kind of thought, like, this would go worse. But obviously it's not blended out yet properly, so yeah, I've got to, you know, sort that out. But so far I'm actually loving it. I'm just gonna go over the yellow a bit just so you can see it a bit better. And yeah, so that's how it's looking so far. Obviously I haven't like blended it in or anything, but you can just see how like pigmented it is. Now I'm gonna go in with a blue shade. So I'm gonna take this gorgeous blue, like sky blue shade here, and this is in the shade 23, which is this gorgeous blue shade here. I don't know if you can see, but I'm gonna apply this onto my lid now. Look at that, like so much product just picks up. It's just insane. I'm just gonna blend that here. Okay, blue, I see you. Wow, that is so nice. I'm just loving how pigmented these shades are. Like, NYX have killed it with the pigments in this palette. It's unbelievable. But that is such a pretty shade. Once again, like, it's not usually my type of shade that I'd go for on my lid, but that is just so nice. Okay, so I'm gonna do, what shade shall I go for last? Do you know what, I'm gonna go for this shade here, which is like a purpley bluey shade, and that is the shade 24. So I'm gonna do this one on my outer corner and dip my brush in, tap off. Once again, you can just see the colour on the brush, and I'm gonna put that here. Yes, I absolutely love that. That is that shade on. Okay, so this is what it looks like now with all the shades on my lid. So as you can see, it's just so pigmented. They blended so easily, and considering I've never done this before, I feel like it's, you know, I've done a good job considering that I haven't done that before. So I'm just gonna like go over the shades just to make them stand out a bit better. So okay guys, so this is the finished look, like the finished eye. So this is how it's looking so far, and I'm honestly obsessed with it. Like, I just think the shades and everything are just so pigmented. So I'm just gonna go off camera and do the other eye, and then I'll be back with you with my final look and thoughts. Okay guys, so I'm back. I've just done the other eye, and this is the finished rainbow makeup look. I'm actually obsessed with this makeup look. Like, I'm just gonna get my mirror. Yeah, like, I love how like the shadows blended, and the pigment of these shadows is unbelievable. So would I recommend this palette? Yes, definitely. You should definitely get this palette, especially if you love makeup and you want a palette with every shade you could possibly want in it, because this palette's definitely good for doing really creative looks and stuff, which isn't usually something that I do. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more from me. Also, if you have any video ideas that you'd like me to do, then please let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, so I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. Mwah.